Good morning, everyone. Connor here with Ocean Builders. We're standing at the incubator house right now, and as I point over here, we're looking at what's going to be the very first drone delivery service deployment spot. And so we're in the very early research stages of it. We have some brilliant minds working on it, all the way up from New York to California to Florida, down here in Panama. And to point out a couple things, this drone delivery service that we're actually working on is going to be able to carry a heavier payload, go farther and faster than most currently available commercial drone delivery services. As I point over there, don't fall off the dock, we're going to have our first SeaPods deployed out there, and so deployment of the actual drone is going to be over there. It's going to shoot across our bay over here, and we're going to be able to land some pizza, some other consumer goods, medical supplies to you or right at your SeaPod home without having to hop in your boat and come over here. You'll have it brought right to you. We're also working on an unmanned service vessel. It's going to kind of work hand in hand with the same software, the same model as the drone delivery service will, so we're very excited about that. Also in the early research stages with that. Again, brilliant minds working on it. But nonetheless, if you're interested in some of these projects, we'd love for you to reach out and see if it'd be a good fit for you to help out with. Thank you.